over here with his gangster hat attacks me. So
Wow,
alright, so he comes to hit me in the face, and one of three things are going to happen. One, I'm going to parry, wall off, and then do something else, right? Or, I'm going to miss with this block and only have this one, right? Which is what just happened here. Or three, I'm going to successfully block, and then I'm going to maybe hyperextend that arm, or go into a punch control situation. You okay, buddy?
Yeah. Wait, did you have it already up here already and you got to bring it back down?
No, I started here with my spare block, and this one maybe I was checking my phone or something like that, and I didn't realize this guy's about to punch me in the face while I'm also holding my spare block up, you know. Normal, everyday situation.
About to say, you're like, live life.
This is how you live. Okay, this is the way.